In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find team code in Teams. Whether you're a team owner looking to invite new members quickly or curious about where this feature resides, understanding how to locate your team's unique code is incredibly useful. This code allows individuals to join your team directly without needing an invitation, streamlining the onboarding process. Let's walk through these simple steps together to easily find and utilize this convenient feature within Microsoft Teams. Our first step is to open the Microsoft Teams application itself. This applies whether you're using the desktop client on your computer or accessing Teams through your web browser. Ensure you're logged into the correct account associated with the team you manage. Once the application is open and you're viewing your main Teams interface, displaying your list of teams on the left, you are ready to proceed. This ensures you're starting from the correct foundation. Next, navigate to the specific team where you want to find the code. From your main team's dashboard, select the team by clicking on its name in the left-hand panel. Once you've entered that particular team's view, you'll then need to locate the More Options menu. This is usually indicated by 3 dots, positioned right next to the team's name, not within one of its individual channels. Clicking this icon will present a contextual menu, offering various administrative choices and settings specific to that entire team, which is what we need. After clicking on More Options for your chosen team, a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you'll find the option labeled Manage Team. This is your gateway to all the administrative settings and controls for your team, allowing you to oversee members, channels, and crucially, the team's settings. Select Manage Team by clicking on it. This action takes you to a dedicated management interface where you can adjust various aspects of your team's configuration, bringing us closer to revealing that all-important team code. Once you are in the Manage Team section, you'll notice several tabs or categories, typically including members, channels, settings, and apps. To find the team code, our focus should be on the Settings tab. Click on Settings to open up a new set of options related to the team's general behavior and access. This tab is where you can adjust permissions, set up guest access, and, most importantly for our current task, manage the team code feature. Within the Settings tab, scroll down or look for a section specifically labeled Team Code. Upon locating this section, click on it. If a code hasn't been generated yet, you'll see an option to generate one. Simply click that button, and a unique alphanumeric code will instantly appear. If a code already exists, you'll see it displayed there, along with options to copy it, reset it, or remove it. To share it, just click Copy and paste it to anyone you want to invite. Remember to share this code carefully, as anyone with the code can join your team directly. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to find your team code in Microsoft Teams. This simple yet powerful feature allows for quick and easy team onboarding, making collaboration even more efficient. We hope this guide was clear and helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy teaming!